Hi, I'd like to show you a few things about the Yahoo Groups database in the new version of Yahoo Groups. First of all, you should be signed in, so make sure that's available, and then you'll see this kind of screen. And if you pull down the little menu from the More button, you'll see Database. Click on Database to start your new table. These are databases that have been created previously. I'm going to start a new one by clicking on Create Table. And databases can be really useful for assigning specific tasks, setting up groups online, and so on. And in our training wiki, you'll see a couple of other kinds of uses that you might have for the Yahoo database. I usually just start with a straight new table, but you could choose any one of these templates if you wish. So when you have Create New Table, you're going to set up something like tasks to be performed, give it a title, and maybe a little description. This is a to-do list I'm going to put. And then you can also assign whether you want just the moderators to change things or if you want to allow group members to change things. Add records, edit the table. Might be best just to keep the editing of the whole table for yourself, but if you allow group members to edit records or to add records, then group members can come and use this table themselves in your Yahoo group. And then for each column, you're going to want to have a name. Let's do task to be done. Let's make this who will do it. And here we might put time to be completed, and you can add a new field by clicking on the little blue button, but you can edit these names or labels for your columns at any time, and you can also add new columns or rows once you've completed the whole thing. So let's put check off when finished, something like that. Okay. Then you create your table. Here are the tasks, who will do it, time, and so on. Now, you can add another column here by clicking, or you can add or delete rows. So I'll just add another row. So each time a group member, for instance, comes in, they can just add another row right here. When you've finished saving, you will see this Edit Table button appear. This allows you to change things in the various columns. So, for instance, if you click here, it will, first we click Edit, then Tasks to be done. You can say something like that, and again, be sure to save. You can also print, which sends the table to your printer in a nice form, and you can search the table, which is a good feature. And remember, when you have finished doing any editing, please be sure to save so that you will not lose all the work you've done.